Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the 4 box break part 1 tonight. Random live, 6:10:38 PM Melbourne time. Participants, dice roll. We're going 10 times. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yoink. That's loud. Copy that. And teams. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. Save. Copy. So read out the teams, and it's Stretch Armstrong Magic, Steve Pride with Nets and Pistons, Michael Paul Grizzlies, Di Bell Heat, Martin Taylor with the Hornets, Adrian with the Pelicans, Glenn Bow Thunder, Stretch Armstrong Mavericks, Raymond Dyer Nuggets, Ivan with the Raptors, Charles with Sixers, Steve Pride Wolves, Jeff with the Rockets, Charles with Hawks, Harry Pacers, Stretch Armstrong Knicks, Dave Hanson Suns, Stretch Armstrong Blazers, Josh Kenshall Jazz, Charles with the Bulls, Zach Nichols with the Kings, Martin Taylor with the Wizards, Raymond Dyer with the Cavs, Glenn Bow with the Lakers, Van Sanderson with the Bucks, Glenn Bow with the Clippers, Harry with the Spurs, Glenn Bow with the Celtics, and Stretch Armstrong with the Warriors. So I'll take a picture of that, put it up, and yoink, cut that, paste that there, and random is complete.